How does AI drive autonomous systems? With the aid of artificial intelligence, AI, scientists and engineers may develop autonomous technology that can run alone while adjusting to shifting conditions. Transportation is a typical industry where autonomous computer systems are used. Consumer cars of today employ automated, aiding technology, but they are not entirely autonomous. The U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Society of Automotive Engineers have created a 6-level categorization system to characterize different levels of vehicle automation. From 0, the technology only offers temporary driver help, to 5, the system is fully automated with no human driver needed. In the United States, only automobiles at levels 0, 1, and 2 are now on sale. Although self-driving cars may garner the most attention, AI is being investigated for usage in other types of vehicles as well. Future AI developments might enable autonomous vehicle systems to do laborious and even dangerous tasks like flying airplanes, delivering packages, and even driving ambulances more effectively and safely than people. The development of autonomous technology will also open up new possibilities for robotic space exploration, medical research, and other fields. People in the loop. Even though some of these futuristic technologies are intended to operate independently, people may still oversee them and work with them. It is argued that such methods keep people in the loop. According to Anamar Anand Kumar, the Bren Professor of Computing and Mathematical Sciences at Caltech, the issue of whether we want a technology to be really autonomous is up for dispute because we still want it to have alignment to human values, our safety concerns, our expectations. Full autonomy is likely too difficult or even impossible to achieve with existing technologies in many cases. However, it may be quite effective to have humans be able to fill up the gaps left by AI, and vice versa. We should aim towards hybrid systems that bring AI and humans together, in my opinion. Maury Gharib, one of the Booth Cresa leaders, asserts that there would be major hazards if we let this autonomy to operate without human procedures controlling it. Caltech contributions. Autonomy research is increasingly being conducted at Caltech's Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies, CAST. With the aim of fostering multidisciplinary research on autonomous systems, the 10,000 square foot building was inaugurated in 2017. Neural Fly, Neural Lander, and Neural Swarm are testbeds for deep learning methodologies that can assist drones in flying and landing in windy situations and coordinating the movement of the machines in swarms, respectively. These tools were developed as a result of work done at CAST. The Robotic Assisted Mobility (ROAMS) Science Initiative, based at Caltech, aims to create customized robotic assistance tools like exoskeletons and prostheses by employing AI to link the tool to the nervous system of the human operator. The autonomous ocean-traveling drones were created by John Dabirai, the Centennial Professor of Aeronautics and Mechanical Engineering at Caltech. They swarm and use the ocean currents for navigation. The drones are designed to keep an eye on ocean conditions on Earth and other worlds. The commercial use of Caltech research is growing as well. Gharib established Tufan, a business that is creating an autonomous heavy-lift drone for supply chain and firefighting uses. Director and Chair of the Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies at Caltech.